everybody, Chris Magnotta, your lender for all over Colorado. Of course, coming to you with my Friday morning update. And it's an absolutely gorgeous morning up here on the monument. Looking good, looking good. Well, you know what else is absolutely gorgeous? It's inflation numbers, hot off the press, fresh. Core inflation came down 0.1%. The market expected 0.2%. So that's giving us a little bit of relief in the bond market this morning. It's still early, so I haven't been able to see how this is all going to shake out. But we had the 10-year Treasury running up close to 4.7 earlier this week. That is about up 0.5% over the last little bit of time. And that has pushed mortgage interest rates also up about 0.5%. So it looked nasty there for a minute, like we're going to make a run at 8%. And while we're not out of the woods yet, woo, at least we dodged a bullet with the inflation report this morning. So more than likely, we'll see mortgages settle down into those mid sevens. Good news, we'll of course have options that beat the market. But also news that came out this week is housing prices set another all-time high. We actually saw Zillow come out and said now that the housing market is worth $52 trillion. How in the world is this happening? We have such high interest rates, yet the housing market keeps setting new records. Well, remember, the demand for housing already crashed. It crashed starting November of last year, and demand has been hovering right at all-time lows or close to 20-plus year lows, and demand right now is still actually below 2008, but it hasn't caused the housing market to crash. Remember, we still have record low listings coming onto the market. We have near record low inventory. There's just not that many properties to buy, and there's always going to be some demand because people have to have a place to live. Granted, inflation or discretionary buying is down significantly, and as long as interest rates stay high, that is probably going to be the case. But people still will buy houses. People still need a place to live. And when you got low supply, it's just mathematically impossible to have a housing market crash. Now, we could have a little softening here this fall, kind of like last year. We're seeing some upticks as far as number of price reductions. And so that could be a great opportunity to grab a place, maybe you get a little deal. Now, it's kind of interesting because some properties just aren't, there's still multiple offers. So it's still very property specific, location specific, but certainly there is a potential opportunity coming up here in the next few months before inventory likely goes down further, just like it did last year. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please enjoy the sunrise. And if you have any questions, you need anything from me, give me a shout, let me know. If you like the sunrise, click like. Have an awesome day.